Today I am going to tell you about the registration and logging in process for our new B2B site. Once at www.topmed.com, hover over the account icon and then go to the Register tab and click the Register button. Click on this button and the form will appear, which you have to fill in with your details. Under the form you have to check if you are interested in permanent cooperation with TopMed or whether it is a one-time purchase, and below you have to check the chosen consents. Then click on the Register an Account button. Once you click, an email is sent to TopMed requesting registration. After receiving a confirmation email with your login details, you can start using the B2B site. When you go to www.topmed.com and hover over Account, you can log in with your username and password. In the next step, you are already in the customer panel, where you can start your first order.